common source stage with current source load. So the circuit is representing current source I1, and so this is basically circuit for current source load. So I1 is given by mu Cox upon 2 W upon L VGS minus VTH square. So this is we can say formula for this. So this was formula for I1, which is given. So for AC analysis, all DC sources are shorted. All DC sources are considered as 0, and I1 is also considered as 0. So this is circuit. In the circuit, Vin is given, then VGS GM is given, then R0, which is internal resistance, is given, and then there is finally V out. So now we know that V out is equal to minus GM VGS R01. So V out is equal to minus GM V in R01. So V out upon V in is equal to minus R01 GM. So V in is taken on left hand side here. So it was maximum gain achieved by this load. So doing small signal analysis. So now we are doing small signal analysis. So DC sources are considered as 0, and DC voltages are considered as 0. So VDD is 0, VB is 0. If VD is fixed, then variable resistor is also fixed. So circuit above is its circuit, then its small signal model is at below. So R12 is a resistor, so it is drain resistor, and R01 is internal resistance. So now we are considering small signal model. So by now considering small signal model, we get V0 upon R12, then V0 upon R01 plus GM VGS is equal to 0, where VGS is equal to V in. It is considered as V in. So putting values of VGS as V in. So in next step V0 is taken common. V0 in bracket 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R01 and plus GM V in. So VGS is here replaced by V in, so is equal to 0. Then V0 upon Vi. So Vi is V0 upon Vi is equal to minus GM V in R0 parallel to R12. So here GM V in is taken on the right hand side, so its sign is minus now, and R 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R01. So these were resistors in a parallel, so they are written as a R0 parallel to R12. Now V0 upon V in is voltage gain AV. So AV is equal to V0 upon V in. So it is equal to minus GM. So V in is taken on left hand side here. V0 upon V in is equal to minus GM R0 parallel to R12. So this is final equation for gain, that is AV is equal to V0 upon V in, which is equal to minus GM R0 parallel to R12. So this is final equation. So here input resistance is given, that is R in is equal to infinity. Then output resistance is given, which is R out. So which is Vx upon Ix. So V in is equal to 0 and VGS is equal to 0. So Vx is equal to R0 parallel to R12 into Ix. So this is about R out's equation. So